Well, we're meant to be on a beach at the moment.
Oh, no, I just wanted to pull this out for fun.
Yeah, we're actually down at Miss Alloy here, using their hoist after hours. But yeah, I might start you at the start of this episode. This is where it's going to end up though. So get ready.
Some second gear clutch dumps.
Go dummy, go beast on them. I go beast. Go deep, I OD on them. I OD. Apply pressure, put heat on them. Put that 500 degrees on them. 500 degrees. Go dummy, go beast on them. I go beast. Go deep, I OD on them.
So one thing you should probably bring when going on a four-wheel drive trip.
A tire deflator.
Oh, he's got me! Oh, I didn't bring one. What an idiot.
It's alright, it's only a beach.
Yeah. Let's go 40 PSI, baby, full noise.
Me and Mac are at Stockton Beach. Pretty excited to be here because I've always, for a long time I wanted to come. Just letting the tyres down now and then try and find our way to Tin City. I think it's down here somewhere, so I'll go check that out. Just me and Macca today. Everyone else is working, so we're kind of on holiday. Ooh, we've lost 2 people.
Yeah, we're gonna be here a while.
You just stop in at the servo on the way here and you get this little sticky permit, so I'll just put that on now. Well, mine's in 4-wheel drive, how about yours? Look at it!
Oh, this is amazing. As if this isn't the best place on earth.
I don't know where to go, it's a million car track.
This isn't like Queensland.
It's more like Western Australia.
Hey, hola.
Freedom!
So much freedom, eh?
I got no idea where to go.
Nah.
I think we're gonna head straight to the beach and try and find a spot to surf somewhere. Wind's not up, so it's pretty good. Trying to find Tin City, but it was actually the other way. Should have looked at the map. We went the wrong way.
What a shame.
Yeah, what a shame.
Gearbox.
Yeah, I kind of thought it might have been Gearbox.
I think it's Gearbox. We still got tire warranty.
Yeah, we'll take it around on the way back. 8 minutes on the sand.
8 minutes on sand, she's all over.
Anyway, that's the situation. I think we're just gonna park it up, leave it, because that's a Toyota problem. Nissan's all right. Gonna put the surfboards and stuff on mine. We'll head down and go for a surf, I think. So apparently there's like a little bay further on. The Tin City's that way, I think. I fully got that wrong, or Mac got that wrong. We went right. We meant to come down and turn left, I think. Full tourist mode, don't know what we're doing. So, no more wheeling for the rest of the trip though, unfortunately.
Not unless we can find a gearbox and get it in overnight, but I can't see that happening.
Automatic, yeah.
I think it snapped a tooth, and it's just floating around in there.
Oh, what a feeling, joy on
bad, but I mean,
It's gonna happen eventually, so. Just lucky it happened 10 hours from home, you know, not around the corner or anything.
it will help heaps because we've got to tow that drift car home. That'll push you down the highway.
Oh yeah. Someone 2 ton behind will be great.
Yeah.
TJ.
Ain't going nowhere. Boing! If you don't say that, you'll get there with no surfboards.
Yeah. Oh well. Not worried. That's what happens when you customise cars. Things break. When things break, you fix them. When you fix them, you make them better, and they don't break again. It's a love-hate relationship.
Can you hear through the extension?
Those things are so friggin' cool, man.
Yeah. You can't really see it on camera, but F818s, I think.
Let's cut the lumps too. Cut the fatties.
Nearly there, Tin City.
Yeah, nearly out Tin City. We don't have the cruiser anymore. Wanted to buy a coiled Ford Ranger. I'm willing to swap broken Land Cruiser. Nah, I'm not worried. I'll fix it.
Do you think that happened because it's got this high tune and the power's just too much for that stock gearbox?
Yeah, it's 100% because I clutch kicked it in full drive going up a hill.
Hit it!
You're joking!
You're joking.
Is that what broke it? With 340 horsepower trying to kick through the gearbox?
37.
On 37s in full drive.
Uphill.
Uphill.
In boggy sand.
In boggy sand.
Toyotas, they just break for no reason.
It's all Toyota's fault, mate. It's all Toyota's fault.
Stop the car! Stand up!
We found her! The lost city of tin. Oh, jeez, it's a bit of a treacherous track to get in.
Oh, no June access.
No June access. Tin City.
Random as this.
This is random. Rumour has it that
I don't know what the story. I think I read it was a shipwreck back
shipwreck
many years ago. The boys just come out and built some shacks. Yeah. Well, you're not out on dunes. I don't know where the dunes.
back in Newey.
Yeah. Okay. I just didn't want to be rude in there. It seemed like there were houses, kind of.
There's kind of people living there, eh?
I wonder how the postman gets.
I'll postman Pat on his buddy on his skater.
He doesn't have a cruiser, probably.
Nah.
Answer.
Don't really have one yet. We got 2 options. Buy a gearbox here, try and find a hoist and some tools.
That sounds easy.
Change the gearbox here, get it home, park it up, and wait for a gearbox conversion.
Are you Devo?
Nah.
He's Devo? Yeah. You're the one person that can fix it.
Yeah, you got to pay to play. That's the thing.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, that's nasty.
Clean her up, boys. Make it clean to work under there.
Thank you.
Well, it's weird. The gearbox all works, but it's making this fucked up like ticking noise. So I'm like waiting for it to just start stripping teeth and then have no gears.
You're the only person I know that could score a hoist 10 hours from home.
I can't actually jack it off there because that cross movement's going to have to come in.
You have this detailed?
Oh, what's that?
It looks way too clean. So brand new CV in today.
Yes, yeah, brand new CV straight in there. Ready for tomorrow maybe.
You might have known from the other episode when Dan broke his CV. Already fixed. Ready to rumble. How's it going, Macca? Morale medium or low?
Medium.
Medium?
Yeah, medium. It'll be high when it's driving out of here making no noises.
What?
The metal.
So we're just checking if there's metal in here. Oh, there's a chunk.
What's that?
Nah, I don't think so.
You should see mine when I empty it.
As well as best Ford Ranger.
Yeah.
Yeah, heavy on the oil.
It'd be perfect.
Yeah.
Bright red. He doesn't have to service it.
Yeah.
It is.
Maybe you haven't done a gearbox. What else could have been? Could just be that you needed an oil change. I'm a mechanic. Do not listen to Aaron. There's been a few little metal bits. Oh, Shane. I'll project Shane.
Oh,
He's my mobile mechanic. Dialer mechanic.
still just trying to figure out what's going on.
How exciting, TJ.
Transfer case out.
Transfer case off. And so what we're going to do is bang some oil back in the gearbox, run it up. Fingers crossed, zero noises. Monkey man.
Big lift in this one.
I know. It's still there. You can hear it.
Oh.
This is one of those. How'd you learn how to do that with your fingers moment? Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Big regrets right now. How do you actually feel about your purchase now, Matt? I feel like I've made a great mistake.
I'm just helping. So Dan has a theory that it's going to be a thrust bearing, not a gearbox issue, and that would be a good outcome because it's easier to fix and, well, nah, actually it's not easy to fix, but it's cheaper. 79 series gearbox.
Just you feel like it. Blind. Yeah. You weren't holding anything. No. Oh, it's just messing with you. Yeah. And that's that knot. Yeah.
It's a noisy bit.
All 4x4 has one installed for you. And they've been waiting for you since 3:30.
Yeah, right. I normally just let my tyres down when I go to the beach.
Where are we going to now?
We're going to
Dislodged.
all 4x4 spares to get the pussy magnet.
The pussy magnet.
Must buy one with a pussy magnet.
So we're pretty sure the missus sabotaged my pussy magnet before I left. And that's why it broke.
It was running weak.
Oh, how exciting. I'm going to have a car again. Straight back to Stockton, mate.
Yeah. Not whinging about the hay hauler now, aren't we?
No, the hay hauler has come in very handy. Oh, baby.
Spanking new gearbox.
Thanks, mate.
Alrighty. Handy little bridge here for the other company. Weighed my car at 2.48. So the plan today is basically just to get this in, running and working again. If that happens, we're happy. That's a good day, I reckon. So
It'll happen.
yeah.
So this spins and has no bind. They've actually got a lot of play. Surprising.
And we didn't just get this out of that.
No.
Can't believe that we're 10 hours from home and you've somehow managed to upgrade your shed.
Yeah, look, I wasn't happy with the new 10x7, so I got myself a 50x20. I figured the weather was crap. I wanted to do some shed lifing, so I actually broke the pussy magnet on purpose.
Pussy magnet upgrade.
Better than brand new. Upgraded.
Upgraded, yeah.
Extra
gears? 3 extra gears?
Yeah, 3 extra gears.
We didn't get it from that one.
No.
It looks really sus, eh?
Say hi to YouTube, Shane. Alright, legend.
That was kind of scary because the whole car is shaking on the hoist, but you kind of have to push it in.
So we had to have the leg further back because this crossmember had to come out. We couldn't have the leg here, so we've strapped it.
It's basically a meter on the hoist.
Yeah, and we just had to spit on that gearbox. She went straight in.
How many Oogadoogers is that?
Not too many because it's an alloy block. It'll strip it.
Oh, it's done no time, mate.
Thanks, mate. Thank God you're here.
You go have a coffee. How's the footage you made working on this? transfer case on. Right, we are on the home stretch. Everything's back in. Oh, sway bar needs to be tightened up, but oil's in, and like gear stick. But yeah, looking good.
Where'd you come from? All done. On the Tesla. I'll put my mat back in.
That's official. Gearbox change in less than 24 hours. Unheard of from us parking. I don't know, it's just unheard of in general.
So far, so good. Goes into reverse, nice.
Smoke her up!
Driving the big boy's car. Moving up in the world. First big sexy nav. This one's fixed too.
Everything's... mine's not fixed. It's getting dearer.
See, if I didn't have a canopy that comes on and off so easily, wouldn't be able to help Macca out by taking his bloody gearbox around. Anyway, we're back at all 4x4 spares, and Mac's going to drop his old gearbox off because you get a bit of money back. Anyway, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this episode. Oh, have you had a situation like this 10 hours from home before? Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next episode.